Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all in this video. Please give the channel one like and one share to have motivation to create more attractive videos. This is the type of vehicle commonly used as a means of fishing in our country. Made in Korea, recreational fishermen love this type of car. The first step is to scrub the paint. And we have to lining paint part. Lining a layer of lightning protection onto its surface. Also liner, also tuba layers. Let it keep it. The rust-resistant iron surface is better. This is the biotin car. And we're trying to restore it. The iron parts in here, it's all figured out. To look at the hole, our machine has been hoisted out. As in the previous video, you saw. It's been hoisted out, and this is the inside of it. We've unpacked it. There's nothing left. From the chair, there is only a skeleton. And this car is made 1 year, 1950. Sort furniture in this place is difficult. We'll shape and rebuild. This is a gas tank. Its fuel tank, 1 liter. It also needs to be restored. Welding. For stone. Anyone with this Excel team? Help me find. It is hard. It's back like that, but also need to have. It's a spare part, source. This is also a car. People who go fishing on weekends also enjoy it. A kind of offering, a kind of offering. But the blue here is the white one. This one is blue. Behind it looks very spacious. This is the white one. We have primed the blue one. Here's the primer on the outside. Yard around. And on the white one, we're almost done painting. Lining part. This is the part. The engine tank of the Oten is underground. And we need to painstakingly restore the site of this container. Welding process for stone. This paste is very meticulous. Generally, its iron frame is completely rusted. Need to be restored. We will restore it slowly. This is cut a corrugated sheet to make a mold. The goods into the car. Cut it piece by piece. Pull over in the car. This is the students. Be with me. Choice in there, I promise, will bring life and people into the house. But life, I agree, it's cut like this. You also need a skill to make SAO that let it fit and beautiful tendon just fine.